Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 37. If y is equals to x squared minus 1 over x, find the y, the x. Now, y is equals to x squared minus 1 over x. This simply means that what? Y is equals to x squared minus x raised to the power of minus 1. Now, the y dx is equals to 2x minus now minus 1 multiplied by, that will be minus x minus 1 minus 1. Now this will be equals to 2x plus x raised to the power of what? Minus 2. 2x plus x raised to the power of minus 2, and that is equals to what? 2x plus 1 all over x raised to the power of 2, which is option D. Option D is the correct answer to this question. 2x plus 1 over x raised to the power of what? 2. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.